Check it out. The driveway, the gutters, the actual road is clean, so you don't drive into your driveway with a bunch of dirt or in the gutter with a bunch of mud. When you call a real pro, you already know, look how clean the sidewalk is turning out over here. No stripes, no swirls, no burn marks, even in the crevices are clean. This whole thing just got done. It's going to be real bright, as you can see, as it's drying up. Alright. 561-907-9541 under pressure power wash. Get it done right the first time, guys. Remember how this was over here? Mold and mildew. I mean, it was black. Now, looks really, really nice. We even washed out the furniture for free. The windows, okay, and the door washed off for free. All the edges perfectly clean, as you can see. When you call a pro,